So the question that I get asked most when it comes to affiliate marketing is, Trev, what about traffic? This question gets asked over and over again because at the end of the day, we can do all sorts of clever things when it comes to trying to make money online. But unless we have traffic, then we're not going to succeed. Now, what is traffic? So traffic is basically real people clicking on a link to come through to a page online. As an affiliate marketer, what you want to do is get people to click your affiliate link, and that carries a cookie. You've seen all these when you land on sites and it says accept these recommended cookie settings and all that kind of stuff. They are the cookies. Then they're stored on that person's local device, their computer, their iPad, their phone, and if they then make a purchase, then the person that sent them gets paid for that as an affiliate commission. And that is basically the art of making money online as an affiliate. Now, there are all sorts of ways that you can get people to click your affiliate link to take them through to a sales page and you get paid money. But a lot of them take a lot of work and a lot of time. So for example, one of the best ways that you can get people to land on a page that you want them to land on to try and sell them something so that you can get paid a commission is by having a buyer's email list. So if you've got a nice big chunky list of maybe 5,000 or 10,000 people that you've got in your autoresponder, that could be Aweber, GetResponse, SendLane for example, then you type out an email, it automatically says, hi John, hi Mary, hi Steve, and you click send and that blasts out to all those people and that can take them through to the sales page via your affiliate link and you can get paid. But how do you get that buyer's email list? Well, in that instance, there would be some work to do, obviously, because for you to be able to build buyers' email addresses, you need to be selling products so that you can get those buyers' email addresses. And that, although that's not as difficult as it might sound, and in fact I teach all of that in my Commissionable training, which you'll find a link below this video to, you might be looking for something that's a bit simpler, a bit easier. So some people, for example, will build websites and they'll do SEO, search engine optimization, on those websites to get them to rank for specific keywords. This can be really, really tricky and can also be extremely time consuming and expensive because you have to buy backlinks and all that kind of stuff. There's a steep learning curve to doing SEO correctly. There's also quite a waiting period between the time that you decide that you want to rank for this and the time that you actually rank for it so that you can get some results. It takes quite some time to get results like that. You could also maybe buy clicks from different traffic platforms, or you could try advertising. Now both of those can be expensive and produce mediocre, if not awful, results. You might try solo ads. Solo ads are basically where you go to somebody who's got this big list that they've built and you pay per click. So you might say, right, I want to buy 500 clicks, give them your affiliate link, you pay for those clicks, which might be 45, 50 cents each, for example, and then they'll send out their emails until 500 people, and usually a bit more, a bit of over delivery, have clicked on that link. Now, typically with a solo ad, what you would do is the link that it would go to would be to a squeeze page, an opt-in page, so that you've got those email addresses that maybe, I don't know, 30 or 40% of people might opt in, and then you can mail them and send them to the affiliate page, and they'd also be automatically redirected when they opted in. Again, this can be expensive and the results are not always great. They can be okay. You might break even, you might make some money, you might not. But there's also a pretty good chance with solo ads that you'd spend a lot of money, and that's not what we're trying to do here, is it? We're trying to make money online. We're not trying to spend a lot of money. If, you know, and let's face it, we don't mind spending money if the money brings back the return. So if you could spend 1,000, but it made you 2,000, you'd do that all day, every day, obviously. But if it's not going to bring in the results, then it's a bit risky. Now, one of my preferred methods of getting traffic to an offer is by what I mentioned earlier, becoming a vendor creator, launching your own products and building your own buyer's email list so that you're in control. You can press send whenever you want. And that's the closest that you're going to get to push button riches, by the way. And all of that is taught inside Commissionable. But again, just to say, it's not a 5-minute process. Now, once you've done that a few times, then it's a quick process to get traffic to any offer that you want. So if something else is released and you think, oh, I'd love to promote that, you've got your list. You've always got your list. You can blast it out whenever you want. So there's a lot of advantages there. But really, as a beginner, if this is something that you know, it's completely new to you, you're just starting out, then probably ideally what you want to do is find something that is going to enable you to get traffic to an offer nice and quickly, nice and easily, without having to do any of that big stuff that I've been talking about, without having to build websites and pages and do search engine optimization on them and buy backlinks and build products and launch them and build your buyer's email list. What if we could bypass all of that and just have a really simple system that's been tried and tested that leverages some really big kind of high authority sites to push results up to the top of Google and ride on different kind of peaks of interest. So, you know, a bit like Google Trends. There is a way to do this, and that's what I want to talk to you about today. Now, the industry that I work in predominantly is the make money online industry. We have sites that you may have seen my previous videos, I've taught you before, sites like Munchai, where we can go there and we can see what's launching today, and we can choose to promote different offers in there, and us affiliates will mail those offers and we'll get sales. What I teach my students is that you can take advantage of that, because if something is launching today that's very, very big, when that goes live, there are going to be tons of JVs, affiliates with big email lists who will all be mailing straight through to the sales page, and their subscribers will be receiving those emails. They'll be looking at that and thinking, that looks interesting, you know, I'd like some more information on that, and they'll go and do a search for it. Now, they can either go to Google and do a search, or they can go to YouTube and do a search. Let's say that they went to Google and they searched for that product and they searched product name review. What if you could be at the top of page 1 on Google for the results of those searches that those people are making? Can you see that there would be an opportunity for you to make some money? Well, there absolutely would be, but this system has got a really clever twist, and that is this. There are products launched every day, sometimes 10 or 15 in a single day, in this make money online industry, internet marketing and that kind of thing. So there's massive opportunity for traffic. There's a massive opportunity to ride that traffic in different ways. But, and here's the big thing, the products that are being launched, you might not actually like. You might go through that list and think, you know, I want to promote something as an affiliate, but I can't find anything here that isn't a load of old rubbish, you know? And that's going to hinder your ability to make money, isn't it? Because if you're looking at it and thinking, I don't want to promote that, you know, then you're going to keep coming up with obstacles and reasons why not to get things moving and make money. So what about if then there was a way that you could promote products, in other words, get traffic? When people search product name review, you come up, you kind of review that product, and when they go through that, you can send them through to whatever you want. Something, you know, in the same niche, but something that you stand fully behind. That would be better, wouldn't it? So people are searching for, is this product any good? You come up with a review. The review says, you know, it's a nicely laid out review. This is all done with AI, by the way, so it's very, very easy. And instead of sending them through to that product, or you can send them through to that product if you want to, but if you don't like the product, you can still ride that traffic and send them through to the product of your choice. So this system is called MDA traffic, and it comes with what's called GAP, which is basically guaranteed approval to promote. So the product itself is a training program that teaches you a very, very special hack that you can use, like anybody can use, brand new, complete newbies can use, to get those rankings at the top of Google when all of these launches are taking place on a daily basis. And then you can siphon that traffic through to whatever pages you want. So if there was a particular offer, for example, as I said, this one comes with a guaranteed offer to promote built in, and my bonuses are going to give you 2 more as well. You might want to choose those rather than the actual products that are being promoted on that day. And you could choose maybe always to go through to one product if it converts really well for you. It's up to you to choose whatever you want to do. But this is a system that will enable you, if you've never done anything like this before, to get results. So let's go over now to my PC and I'll show you inside. So a quick look at the sales page here. And the headline is "Make Google send targeted traffic to any offer for free. You can do this today in minutes without needing any experience whatsoever." So come through the sales page, and you can go through that at your leisure. I don't usually spend too much time on sales pages. What I will do though is show you the JV page, because on the JV page I tend to find that you get a more genuine description of what something is. So this says, and the JV page, by the way, is the page that affiliates and JVs like me go to when we're finding information on the product so that we can promote it as an affiliate. This says MDA traffic is a simple beginner-friendly system which leverages third-party assets to appear quickly, normally 1 to 3 days, in search engine results without SEO, without cost, and with minimal effort, which to me sounds pretty good. The price for the product is just $9, and the funnel, so the funnel being what are the upgrades. So you've got an order bump, which basically means that's an inline upsell. So when you buy the $9, you can also choose to add on for $27 a plug and play sales tool to make selling a cinch for beginners, right? You'll get more information when you go through on that. Then you've got upgrade 1, which is $23. Now, upgrade 1 is the video training expansion, and that is basically the system laid out in videos for you so that you can follow along. So for the $9, you get a really, really nice ebook. It's 53 pages long, and if I just give you a little scan through here, you'll see every single detail that you need. All right, everything that you need is included in this. There's a ton of information here, and it's very, very well presented and absolute. I mean, I can vouch for Mark Bishop, the vendor. He was one of my first mentors, and I launched one of my first big products with him as well. We did the same thing as well, which was a PDF for the front end and then a video upgrade. So you've got the video upgrade so that you get the over-the-shoulder training videos, and then upgrade number 2 is $27. That's the auto review builder. So this auto creates the content needed with AI in seconds, full video instructions included. Now you can choose that, you can choose not to, it's up to you. They're all optional upgrades. They're usually designed to make things easier and faster, so you decide whether that's going to work for you or not. But when you go through, like if you buy the $9 front end, you'll be presented with the upsells as you go through, and you'll be able to see full details on each one and decide whether or not you want to go for that. Then we get upgrade number 3, which is the Epis Plus at $44, a fully automated affiliate system which doesn't require setup or an autoresponder. Upgrade number 4 is the TZ Traffic Invite. That's just $12. And it says the traffic platform Lee used to turn $100 into $1,540 in 7 days. Upgrade number 5 is the IMLA formula. That's $497. Digital product marketing training, coaching grade, multiple in-depth modules. So that would be proper high ticket coaching. And then upgrade number 5, the downsell on that, the IMLA formula SP, is $97 per month, so you can do that monthly instead. So when you come into the members area, you first get this welcome video here, and what I like about Mark and all the stuff that him and his team do is it's all very genuine. The goal here is not to try and sell you onto a webinar to sell you more stuff. The goal here is to welcome you to the product and explain what you need to do. Can't get more ethical than that. And you will see on here, for example, you can see I've got escape plan. If you've bought that previously, then that will show up here. If you've just bought MDA traffic, that will show up here. If you went for the video training, that will show up here, etc. So you'll get all of your upgrades in the same members area. And if you do go for the video upgrade, which personally I would recommend, I like to learn by video, so I think that's a good upgrade to go for, then this is, let me see, I think it's about 20, yeah, it's about half an hour long. So there's a lot of content in there. It's going to go through the entire system for you so that you don't miss anything out. And then once you've gone through this, if you don't understand it, obviously go through it again. But once you've got this under your belt, it'll become a very, very simple process that you'll be able to rinse and repeat on an ongoing basis, so you can do this stuff whenever you want, whenever you need some extra cash or just to keep cash coming in on autopilot, you can keep doing this. So your bonuses when you buy through me, you're going to get instant access to this bonus document. this will be ready and waiting for you inside your Warrior Plus account. It's already there. So as soon as you've purchased, if you then log into your Warrior Plus account, you go to your name, top right hand corner, you drop down to purchase history, and then you go to MDA traffic. You'll see a blue button that says affiliate bonus, and that will give you access to this document. Now, what I'm doing for you here is I've been thinking about MDA traffic and what it does. It gets traffic to offers, especially in the Make Money Online industry. And so I'm going to give you free access to AI Prodigy. This is our training product that shows you how to make a consistent and passive income on YouTube using just artificial intelligence without face or voice. We've done over 1,200 sales with that. You're going to get free access to that, but I'm also going to give you guaranteed approval to promote that product, and you give it away for free. Now, you can use this with MDA traffic. So you'll be able to give away AI Prodigy for nothing. And when people buy it for nothing, they will then go through the funnel. They'll be presented with upsells in the AI Prodigy funnel, and you'll get 50% commissions on anything that they buy. So that's a really, really nice bonus there. Also, we've got free access to List Prodigy that I'm going to give you here. So this is going to teach you how to build your own personal ATM cash machine using your list. All right, so we talked about lists earlier on. This is going to show you another way to build your list. That's done over 1,100 sales. And once again, I'm also going to give you guaranteed approval and the ability to give that away for free. And the same thing with the upsells. You'll get 50% commissions on any of the upsells. On top of that, I'm going to give you full access to the Affiliate Directive, which is my training product that basically tells you how to become an affiliate, and has got tons of case study examples in there. The headline on the page is revealed the simple secret system that made me $12,119 in 1 week. Former Shiny Object Chaser, which is me, reveals his secret system that banked him $8,032 in affiliate commissions plus $4,087 in prizes in just 7 days. And I have to say, that was a lovely week. Now, I reveal how I did that and how you can do that inside the Affiliate Directive. Plus, I'm going to give you guaranteed approval to promote the Affiliate Directive and bump your commissions to 75%. Also going to give you full access to the 60 Hacks $60,000 event membership. You get full membership there, login details, login, you got all the modules in there teaching you how, it's basically 60 hacks on how to make money online. I'm going to give you full access to lesson 1 of my Mid-Journey Magic training and full access to my training on how to create your own coloring books to sell. All right, so that's another way to make money. On top of that, you'll also get some extra bonuses: how to make money online with PLR, how to make money online with simple affiliate reviews, Warrior Plus affiliate training step by step, how to make amazing images using the new Mid-Journey web platform, how to create a powerful list building lead magnet using AI, and why being over 50 years old isn't too late to make money online, which also works if you are under 50, let me tell you. So that's MDA traffic, and if you buy it through me, obviously you get all of those incredible bonuses. So it would make sense to go through me rather than anyone else, because if you go through anyone else, you won't get those bonuses. And if you're looking for a way that you can get traffic through to affiliate offers and also guaranteed approval to promote the offer that this comes with, plus my 2 offers, plus all my other bonuses, then this is for you. This is a great way to start making money from scratch, doing something that takes just a few minutes each day and can get massive results. And the more you do, the more you've got content out there, the more chances you've got of traffic coming through your affiliates and you making commissions. Now guys, if you've enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, and in the comments below, let me know if you're going to give MDA a go. If you let me know in the comments below that you're going to give MDA a go, then I'll give you another special bonus completely for free. And you don't even have to send me proof of purchase. Just comment below, say, Trev, I'm going to give this a go. I'll give you a free bonus. If you haven't subscribed to this channel already, then the best way that you can help me to continue doing stuff like this is to subscribe to this channel. It won't cost you anything, and you'll be notified. If you click that notification bell, you'll be notified every time I upload some free training, new videos, etc., so you don't miss a thing. So go ahead and do that now, and I'll see you on the next video. All the best.